Hey everybody, it's Charlene with Roadrunners, and tonight I'm in Happy Valley, Pennsylvania, which is around State College. And thanks to Happy Valley, I'll be here a couple of nights. I'm looking forward to exploring the area. And where I'm staying tonight is the Queen B&B in Bellefonte, Pennsylvania, which is, I don't know, about 10 miles from State College, at least according to the sign I saw. This is a lovely room. This is the governor's suite, and a nice little sitting room here. Probably really nice on a cold day. Of course, we're going to have a heat wave here starting tomorrow, so probably won't be using that room much. But anyway, it's lovely. All kinds of fun things. It's even got a little ceiling fan, which I think is really neat. Love to find one of those in Mobile. Television, nice big bed, and right over here is the bathroom right here with a stand-up shower. So looks like a nice couple of evenings here for me, and I look forward to learning all about Happy Valley and Pennsylvania. It was a kind of a long drive over because lots of semis on the truck, semi trucks on Sunday trying to get wherever they're going. But looking forward to exploring the area and my stay here at the Queen. So thanks, Happy Valley. I appreciate it so much. I hope everybody's having a great Sunday.